Okay, this is part 2 of the video. So I'm going to, I have removed the belt already. I've removed the belt there. That's the actual drive belt. So what you gotta do, you gotta retention, put a 24 mil spanner. Prefer the step spanner so you don't cut your hand on this sharp cover here. So you just put on that, like that, and then go put it here, and you sort of go anti-clockwise, go back this way, sorry, clockwise, sorry, and then you can see the pulley going back, and then you can actually take the belt off. But sometimes if that big nut there keeps spinning, that means the actual, get a 15 mil spanner, put it behind here and hold the head of the nut and do it up, so it's because it's loose, and then do the process again. But now I'm gonna check all the pulleys. So alternator, idler, tensioner pulley, powder pump, compressor, and the last one, the water pump. There you go. Hear that? That's a water pump noise. So the water pump pulley is gone, so I've got to replace that. Hear that? That's pretty bad. So if I start the car up, just start the car up to double check, make sure there's no noise from the engine itself. Alright, no more engine noise, so it's a good thing there's no engine noise. I'm gonna replace all the pulleys anyway, that one there, this one here, and the tensioner pulley, because they do go as well, so, and a brand new drive belt. So I'm gonna replace the water pump and go from there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.